Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Fidelity Active Trader Pro. First, navigate to the Fidelity website and locate the Active Trader Pro download page. Click the download button to begin acquiring the software. Before installation, quickly verify your computer meets the minimum system requirements for optimal performance. Once downloaded, run the installer and follow the on-screen prompts to complete the setup process. After downloading, locate the installer file, usually in your Downloads folder, and double-click it to start. You'll be prompted to accept the terms and conditions. Review them and click Agree to continue. Once installed, launch Active Trader Pro. A login window will appear where you'll enter your Fidelity username and password. This securely connects your trading account to the platform. Active Trader Pro offers extensive customization. You can drag and drop windows like watch lists, charts, and the trade ticket to create your ideal workspace. Experiment with different layouts to find what works best for your trading strategy. Remember to save your customized layout so it automatically loads each time you open the platform. This saves valuable time and keeps your essential tools readily available. To place a trade, open the trade ticket window. Here, you'll input the stock symbol, quantity, order type, and price. Always double-check all the details before clicking Place Order to ensure accuracy. Active Trader Pro provides real-time data to help you make informed decisions. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals to enhance your home setup. Happy trading!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.